gihapay sa Muslim community sa Central Visayas ang bag-ong liderato sa Kapitolyo nga naghatag og maayong pagtagad sa mga Muslim. Sa administrasyon ni People's Governor Pamela Pambari IV, naumol ang Cebu Provincial Muslim Affairs and Cultural Heritage.
Well, it brings the capital closer to the hearts of the people. That's one. Number two is it's easier grasp sa ato ang provincial capital na makahibaw gyud unsay exactly niya home. Number three, for peace and order. If you have the Muslim community behind you, the peace and order, I tell you, wala gyud kuan. Someone can already give you inputs on so and so terrorism and the like, because we can always lobby and we can always have conversations with some other, I'm not telling that terrorists are only Muslim, but that it's really existing in the Philippines, right? Pero sa kadugay na sa Muslim community dire, I think 50, 60 or even 70 years, you will never hear any terrorism in Cebu City tungod sa mga Muslim, right? Because maura gid na amo hangyo sa amo ang mga kalahi, not in Cebu. Kay naami diri, nagpalayo-layo mi sa Mindanao, kay ganahan mo negosyo, among mga anak mo eskwela, to coexist, because it's so tiring to live in a city or in a municipality na daghang kay kuko. And I think Cebu has fostered that, peace and harmony. So, mo nang nice gyud na gyud ang Muslim community closer to the capital.
Si Governor Pambari IV naglantaw sa mga Muslim nga ania sa Subo nga kabahin na sa malinawon nga pagpuyo sa mga Subuanon.
Our diversity is not a division, it is our strength, and we remain committed to ensuring that every Cebuano, regardless of faith, feels valued and supported. May this Ramadan bring peace, reflection, and renewed hope to all. Daghang salamat and Ramadan Mubarak. Thank you.
Ang Muslim community sa Subo nagpadayag sa ilang dako nga pasalamat ni Governor Pambari IV nga naghatag og value sa mga Muslim isip kabahin sa komunidad ug kabahin sa malambuon nga Sugbo.
Yeah. To Gov, Pam, she knows that what's in my heart. I would like to really thank you. Walillahi, there's no leader who actually did what you did. And I am so humbled that a governor like you, she is godly. You know that, right? She's godly, she's religious, and she's accepted the Muslim community. Murag, kuanra. It's murag regular gyud. Kanang it's nothing new to her, maybe because of her background, but thank you so much, Gov, from the bottom of my heart and from our Muslim community for helping and opening the doors of capital for the Muslim community.
Ako si Rhea Manila, sa bag-ong liderato, mangin labot, magpakabana tungod kay ato ang Sugbo.